Okay, homeboy, this one's a Fireball punch bowl, and it's cool. Ice! Oh, look at the cute ice. And that's clear ice. Y'all notice how beautiful that is? The mango slices in there. And you know what goes good with mango? Apple. Super tropical, son. Super tropical. Okay, now we grab our boy here, Fireball. And this is a fresh ball, okay? And we can pour it on it. This Fireball is the base of this mix. So you want a nice, healthy dose of this. So I just use about 3/4 of a ball. Now I come behind that with apple juice. And then a stop. Then we grab hard seltzer, because what goes great with Fireball? Hard seltzer. This is the new Fireball mix, man. Hitting hard Fireball with hard seltzers. So we get 2 of them in there. And this mango. Oh, you could smell the mango and the cinnamon. Okay, now we come over the top of that with just a little bit of pineapple juice.
Smells good.
Dude, this smells so good. Mommy! This smells amazing. And then you get apple. Oh my goodness. Look at the fruits in it though. Then you come behind now and you hit it with the straws, you see? And there you have it, the Fireball Mango Punch Bowl. Mmm. Refreshing. Because guess what, guys? I mean, Fireball goes with the apple, which goes with the mango, which then goes with the pineapple. So this works. I don't know, this is like a tropical Fireball punch bowl. Anyway, grab yourself some Fireball and get a hard seltzer and make a punch that way, because that's the new mix. I'm telling you, it's killing it, man. As always, drink responsibly. Don't drink and drive. Fireball. See you all later. Yeah.